Hi Cavator, my name's Alessandra and I'm here to make you holiday pasta in my kitchen. So today we're going to be making what I call the holiday pasta. For this pasta, because it's so simple, I think it's really important to get like high quality ingredients because it's really only a few things that you're putting in. When you're starting out, it's like really important to have everything prepped and ready to go so that when you start cooking, you can just go step by step through the process, through the recipe, whatever it is. Just make it easier on yourself. I spend the holidays either at my parents' house in LA or we're either visiting the rest of my family in Miami. My mom has kind of like passed along the role of like cooking Christmas Eve to me, which I actually really love. This year I'm doing like a whole 7 dishes dinner, even though we're not Italian. We do this thing that's like not Cuban or anything tied to like my family's culture, but there's this thing called the Christmas pickle. It's an ornament that you hide in the tree, and whoever finds it like gets another gift. I don't know why, I'm actually not a competitive person at all, but I get really into the Christmas pickle. My family jokes that I like dive into the Christmas tree and like try and look for it. And I always find it, but I don't think I've ever got another gift now that I think about it. So I don't know why I get so excited about it. I love Sophie Loren and I love that quote, but apparently she like didn't say it. It's like been this like false quote that's been passed around. But I do love that quote because I feel like she's just so proud of who she is and like owns herself. I think that's one of the reasons why I love Sophie Loren so much. My go-to holiday outfit would probably be something along the lines of like a dress and tights. I'm very clumsy. I always stay in my outfit. Over Thanksgiving, I wore like this coverall while I was cooking because I fried a turkey. I'm like ready to go. I like fried the turkey. I made the mashed potatoes. Like it's time to like change into my cute little dress. And then literally, as we're carving the turkey, I wasn't even carving it. I was just next to the turkey. The juice of the turkey splashed and it really got over like this silk white dress I was wearing. And I was just like, you're here with your family at your house. Like accidents happen and you just gotta roll with it. This pasta, which is like a really simple, easy dish, but it's super delicious because it has Parmesan and cream and pasta, like all the things that we want to have during the holidays. And like to me, the perfect, easy comfort dish during the holidays to feed a lot of people. Here we go. And now you're ready to serve and eat. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed cooking in the kitchen with me, and happy holidays. Cheers.